In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark levels in TradingView. If you've ever wondered where price might pause, bounce, or break out, clear levels make that picture much easier. We'll use TradingView's built-in tools so you can get clean support and resistance on your chart in seconds. First, log into your TradingView account and open the chart you want to analyze. Pick the symbol and time frame you care about. 5 minutes for intraday, daily, or weekly for swing. The time frame you choose will influence how meaningful your levels are, so match it to your trading plan. Next, look toward the top of the chart for the indicators option in the main toolbar. It's usually near the middle, labeled Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies. Click it to open the search window. In the search bar, type pivot point. You can also try terms like mark levels or daily levels if you're exploring community scripts, but to keep things simple and reliable, we'll start with TradingView's native tool. From the results, select Pivot Point Standard. As soon as you click it, the indicator is added to your chart. You'll see a central pivot line, typically around the recent average price, with resistance levels above it labeled R1, R2, R3, and support levels below labeled S1, S2, S3. These are calculated from prior price action and can act as reference points for potential reactions. Think of them as a roadmap. The pivot is your midpoint. The R's are overhead areas where rallies may slow, and the S's are zones where dips might stabilize. To fine-tune the display, hover over the indicator's name at the top left of your chart and open its settings. You can choose the calculation type, the time frame source, daily, weekly, or monthly pivots, and how many levels you want visible. Adjust line colors and thickness for readability, and enable labels so prices are printed next to each level. If the chart looks crowded, hide the levels you don't need or use the eye icon to toggle the indicator on and off while you compare clean price action against your levels. That's it. By logging in, opening your chart, finding indicators, searching pivot point, and selecting pivot point standard, you've marked logical levels quickly and consistently today. Use them to plan entries, define targets, or set alerts around key areas, and always confirm with your broader analysis and risk management.